Welcome to the FHIA Beach Cleanup. We're here in Hollywood Beach, Florida, right near our local headquartered office, and we brought over 60 people to clean up the beach today. So, really excited to kick this off. At FHIA, we believe in being leaders in the community. And for us, leadership means leaving something better than you found it. So our goal today is to leave the beach better than we find it. The reason why we're so passionate about cleaning the beaches in Florida is that over 1,500 turtles nest in our beaches in Florida. And that's 97% of the sea turtles in North America. So keeping the Florida beaches is really important to the community. And we really want to make sure that we're not making only an impact in the homes that we serve, but also the communities that we serve. So we thought it was a great opportunity to get out here and help the community clean the beach.
In addition to being out here today, FHIA offers windows with special turtle glass. Turtle glass is a special glass meant to protect sea turtles. It protects them from hatching away from their natural habitat. It's most commonly used in coastal homes. Our priority at FHIA is to serve our customers. We focus on providing best-in-class service. While doing that, we want to protect the environment and improve our community.
We want to say a special thank you to our friends at Loggerhead Marine Life Center, who partnered with us to help clean the beaches today. If you want to help donate to the sea turtles and ensure that they have protection throughout their season, you can go to marinelife.org to help make a donation or see how you can make an impact in your local community.